under letters, petitions, resolutions, whether any member from the legal release of Katyal Senior, dated September 25, 2013, requesting for the order of release. The referee letter from Mandir was now President Fatma Ayapabato Creators of the Task Force Incorporated, dated September 26, 2013, requesting to load and unload passengers from Sandali City to Baguio City. And the C letter from Daniel Kaput, Chairman of the Board of Chennai Valley Operators, Douglas Munipurpose Authority, dated September 26, 2013, requesting accreditation as cities supply organization. That's all.
Thank you, Sir Presiding Officer. May I move to include the committee reports from State Report Number 3 of the Committee Rules. I so move, Mr. Presiding Officer. Mr. Presiding Officer, I move to include the letter of Mr. Antonio C. Cruz, IEA Presidente, Gaya Agreement of Station of Salvador and Charles City, under letters, petition resolutions, I so move. Mr. Presiding Officer, there are no more additions to laws body on and move for the approval of the business of the next letter, Your Honor.
Where these business were proposed overnight, enhancing and modernizing Central City Council's parts of for transparency, public accessibility and participatory government of citizens, towards good governance and accountability through live coverage with economic succession, community hearings and public meetings with appropriate private representation and discipline. Dissemination executed by the Dynamics Structured Information and Communication Technology Division Office under the Office of the Sangguniang Financial Secretary.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. I move to declare the consideration of this matter in all the dispatch that the main proponent Councilor Excellent Alvarez is national.
Under Committee Reports by Committee Report on 2013 as Secretary of HCC of the Committee of Rules.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. We already have released copy of Committee Report Number 20-03 days to Council of Committee on Rules. The said Committee Report contains only one item, Your Honor. This pertains to the joint resolution earnestly requesting the city government of Santiago to the Honorable Joseph Salvador Pan, in Mayor, for the construction of full structural classroom building in favor of the Lalan Elementary School. And the recommendation of the committee is for favorable endorsement to our local chief executive. May I move, Your Honor, that we adopt this committee report. The Barangay Sagana was represented by its barangay chairperson of Baguio, and she shared to the community that at the moment, the kindergarten class utilizes the community center for their classroom because there are more residents now in Sagana, and that is why their enrollees for kindergarten already included, Your Honor. Thus, they are requesting the local government of Santiago to consider this for as a priority project under the social services sector, and we hopefully endorse this to the Chief Executive as Chair of the Local Development Council for prioritization for the year 2024. Then, Mr. Honor, pertaining to this committee report, I move that we approve the same. To approve the resolution.
Under the jurisdictions and resolutions, letter from the legal secretary, September 25, 2013, requesting for a contract of peace.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. I move that all items and the letters of this resolution be referred to its appropriate council.
Statement that included by Councilor Doctor. Letter from Senator Cruz.
Mr. Presiding Officer, I think it was already included in the resolution of Councilor Sakuna that all items and the letters be referred to the appropriate council.
That's the last item.
And the information and understand, just a reminder to the members of this August Bank that let us support our legislative cluster team. Accordingly, there will be a basketball, and I guess members of this August Bank will also be players. So we're going to everyone to please support our cluster.
Let us all accept our rest of the Lord. Almighty and everlasting God, we do praise and thank you for your presence and for bringing us together. We also thank you for the wisdom you endowed to us to fulfill our mandate and positive measures that will cater to the needs and concerns of our constituents. Help us realize our potentials and be our inspiration in giving the best service to our people. May all the matters discussed today and be achieved according to their public purpose. We also ask your Holy Spirit